Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2025, and we're diving into TE Connectivity's latest earnings report for the fiscal fourth quarter and full year. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. TE Connectivity has delivered impressive results this quarter, and I'm excited to break down the numbers with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TE Connectivity reported net sales of $4.75 billion for the fourth quarter, marking a 17% increase year over year. John, what drove this significant growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by strong performances in both the industrial and transportation segments. The industrial segment, in particular, saw a 24% increase in sales, fueled by innovations catering to AI and energy customers. This robust demand has been a key factor in their impressive sales figures.
And how about their profitability?
TE Connectivity reported an adjusted EPS of $2.44, which is a 25% increase year over year. This exceeded the analyst forecast of $2.29. The company's operational efficiencies and strategic positioning have contributed to this profitability, alongside a strong order book of $4.7 billion, up 22% year over year.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. TE Connectivity has also reported strong operational performance. Can you elaborate on their operating margins and cash flow?
Certainly. The company achieved an adjusted operating margin of 20%, which is a testament to their operational efficiency. They generated $1.4 billion in cash flow from operating activities and a record free cash flow of $1.2 billion. This financial strength allowed them to return nearly $650 million to shareholders, showcasing their commitment to delivering value.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from TE Connectivity in the next fiscal year?
The company is well positioned to capitalize on long-term growth trends, particularly in AI and energy sectors. They expect double-digit growth in both sales and EPS for the first quarter of fiscal 2026, driven by strong order levels and continued operational resilience.
CEO insights and strategic positioning. TE Connectivity's CEO Terrence Curtin has shared some insights on their strategic positioning. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
CEO Terrence Curtin highlighted the company's execution against their business model, which resulted in record top-line, earnings, and cash flow figures for 2025. He emphasized the strategic positioning of their portfolio and investments in innovations that serve AI and energy customers. The industrial segment's 24% growth and the transportation segment's content growth from increased data connectivity are clear indicators of their strategic success.
How does this strategic positioning benefit TE Connectivity in the long run?
By aligning their innovations with long-term growth trends, TE Connectivity is set to benefit from sustained demand in key markets. Their focus on operational resilience and strategic investments positions them well to navigate any macroeconomic challenges and continue delivering strong financial performance.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts had predicted an EPS of $2.29 for this quarter. How did TE Connectivity perform against these expectations?
TE Connectivity exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $2.44, which is a 6.6% beat over the forecast. This outperformance is attributed to their strong sales growth and operational efficiencies. The fact that they surpassed the consensus of 6 analysts highlights their robust financial health and strategic execution.
What does this mean for investors?
For investors, this EPS beat reinforces confidence in TE Connectivity's ability to deliver consistent growth and profitability. It also suggests that the company is effectively managing its operations and capitalizing on market opportunities, making it an attractive investment prospect.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, TE Connectivity has delivered a strong performance this quarter with record sales and earnings. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
TE Connectivity's strategic positioning and operational efficiencies make it a compelling investment. Their ability to exceed EPS expectations and generate substantial free cash flow indicates a strong financial foundation. Investors should keep an eye on their continued growth in key segments like AI and energy.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TE Connectivity's performance in the comments below.